होने के बाद बाहर आते हैं तो यू फील कि आई हैव चेंज्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ नॉलेज, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंथुजियाज्म, आई हैव चेंज्ड। तो देन यू फील बेटर कि यार वहां जाने के बाद इफ आई कम आउट, people who have visited America, they must be knowing there is a Thanksgiving which is going to come now, 24th and 25th of November. They say there is a huge queue outside the stores of Apple, only Apple. People stand there for 48 hours to get entry because they believe it is worth the wait. अगर वेट किया तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि अंदर जाने के बाद तो एक अलग अनुभव, it's a heaven in which we are going to get treated on. So am I giving that experience to my customer when they walks in? जब वो मेरे प्रीमाइसेस में आते हैं, जब वो मेरी कंपनी में, मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट में आते हैं, क्या मैं उसको ये अनुभव देता हूँ, या आई ट्रीट देम एज अ कस्टमर? कस्टमर से मत तू आ यार, एक रिसेप्शन पे जा, तू इधर जा, मेरा जी मत खा। आई डोंट नो व्हाट। So what experience I give? The first experience, enriching the life. This is a different concept of mind. The another experience, creating emotional connection. EQ is more powerful than IQ. This is the world now coming up. Wherever I have gone through, I have met people. People told me IQ will give you the job. No? Intelligent quotient will give you the job. But EQ, emotional quotient, will give you promotion. If you can connect with people, you can get better output. Everyone communicate, but very few connect. So connecting is very important. What we do many times, we communicate to the people and we think that he understood or she understood. And after 10 minutes of conversation, you ask them, have you understood? Can you repeat again? Because there is no connection in it. There is only communication. So connect with them. Give them that experience. And the third experience, which is very important in their life, is unforgettable service experience. One of my friends was telling me that he got an iPhone which was defective, and he went to the stores of Apple, and people, they have given him a fresh iPhone within a time frame which was not even considerable, within 24 hours, and they told them, okay, now onward if something happens, you will get 50% discount on your next purchase. If this is the experience you take. Same like Walmart. I have heard this. I have never been to that place. But in India, Indian people do this. They go to America, they wear the blazer for 6 months, they go back to Walmart, say this I don't like, now it doesn't fit me. They very gently smile and says, no problem. Put them there in that rack. Pick up anything which is costing the same to this cost, and you are free to go.